Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to add a gain control or a selector, I guess we could call it, a drop down to our Dump1090 FlightAware interface here. So once this is done, it'll be up in here where we can select the gain of our RTL that we're using. So I'll throw a link in the description to the information for this, to my website, and I came across this and thought I would share it. Big shout out to the people that came up with this idea. So let's get started. Alright, so we're just going to do an update. Now I'm using, for the purpose of this video, I'm just using the FlightAware SD card image. The one that you download, put it on a SD card, and you're pretty much done. A lot of people do this because it's simple. It's a nice way to start out if you're just learning, trying to do a lot of command line work. So you have two different commands. One if you're running the pre-built FlightAware image, and one if you're running like a Buster image and you added Piaware after the fact. So we're just going to run the right one here, and this pretty much does a lot of the work itself. And this guy is a good guy to follow over on the FlightAware website under the forums group. So after that, we're just going to do a backup to back up the file, just in case something, might go wrong. So we'll let this go ahead and install this and set everything up. Alright, so that's installed there, so let's clear that. Then we're going to CD into the following directory here, and we're just going to copy. So now we can just get out of that guy. Then we're going to get into the Chrome tab. So let's do that. We'll do a -E, and if this is a new install, you can select whatever one you like to use, but we're just going to select Nano. Then here at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and add in the script location. So this will run it on boot. Then we're going to do a Control X, Y, and enter. And by the way, this is for the newest Piaware image 5.0. So now we're going to get into the following file, as you can see right here. And other than trying to find this, we're going to do a Control W. Then we are going to type in button, if we can spell, container, then we'll hit enter, add an itch. So we're going to add our new lines right in above this guy. So basically right in between this and that. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit enter. Then I'm just going to hit the space bar to put that back over there where it was. Then space bar back over, the line back up. Then we got a couple lines of code here we need to put in. So We'll just copy and paste. Don't get too scared. We can just go over here and drag this stuff back. And do the same thing with that guy. And that's it. We'll do another Control X, Y, and Enter. And we'll do a reboot. So I'll be back. Alright, so now we are up and running, and as you can see, here's our gain control. And as you can see, it's set on max right now. So if we want to change this to 32.8, we just select the one. We'll just hit set gain, and it'll restart the Dump 1090, and now we're on 32.8. Don't go by how many we're tracking. I just got a dongle plugged into the Pi, so no big deal. There's really just a little screw-in antenna on it. But that's pretty much how you do it. Then you want to, you can always refresh the page. Then if you want to go to another one, just select it, give it a few. There we go. It's restarting. And now we're on 43.9. All right. So hopefully this helps out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one. And don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.